Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to protect your tweets from unknown users on Twitter app step by step. First, go to Twitter app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon on the top left corner. Then tap on Setting and Privacy option. Tap on Privacy and Safety. Then tap on Audience and Tagging. Here you can see Protect Your Tweet setting. If you click on the button and activate this setting, only the people who follow you will be able to see your tweets. Thus, the process of protecting your tweets from unknown users on Twitter app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.